Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to create a clean and simple login UI screen with a basic hero animation in Flutter, a mobile SDK framework by Google. After creating a project, we need to prepare some assets such as images and font. We have a logo image here, a profile photo, and a new font family or a custom font family in this app. Now open VS Code and don't forget to activate .free feature in user settings to get rid of cons or new keywords in our codes. Go to File and Preference and Settings. Don't forget to activate the .free feature in these settings. Okay, after create the project, remove all the default codes except the material app, and don't forget to describe our assets in pubspec here. And for this case, we have a assets folder and describe our image below the footer and also the fonts. After deleting all codes except the material app one, we have to create a login page here. Right click on lib folder and then select new file and enter login page. Login page dot. We need a login page class that is extended from a stateful widget. So we can use a lib template stateful and then type login page. Okay, don't forget to import our material package. Okay, in this login page class, add some properties such as string tag is going to be a tag for the navigator or router. Okay, on the build context, create a object logo. This should be a hero, and then that call this hero with child a circle avatar. In the circle avatar, we need to remove our default background color. So, and then we can define the radius, maybe 40h. Radius is the size of the circle avatar, and the child is image from assets, and then assets and logo png, and then we create a widget for email that it should be from text form field, and then we can declare the keyboard type, nope, not keyboard type, text input type email. On this auto focus false, maybe initial value alucard@gmail.com, and then we can create a input decoration in text email. We can define the content padding edge insets from LTRB left 20 top 10 and right 20, and the bottom also 10. So describe the border from outline input border. Inside the outline input border, we can define the border radius from border radius circular 32, maybe we can change it later. And then for the password one, we copy this, all of this, and change the variable name We don't need to specify the keyboard type out here. For the initial value, some password, and the hint text is password. Okay, the text, so define the obscure text for password field. I want some login button here, final login button. Oh, and login button should be wrapped with padding parent and padding at inserts symmetric symmetric vertical, and then 16 maybe material, and then we can specify the material border radius. For the login button, I want something look like a capsule button, so we can specify the border radius with circular 30 maybe, and shadow color. I want to say the color is matched with the theme color of this application, so I can choose like blue accent with say 100. We can specify the elevation 5 maybe. For the material, we can create a material button as a child. Material button in width 200, height 42 maybe, and we can specify the event for this login button. So we leave it blank for this moment. We leave it blank because we want to add some logic later. Okay, for the material button, we should specify the colors. Colors should be like blue accent, and child is from text with label login, and style textile with color white, and then we can add some widget here. I know. Oh, forget label. Forget label should be a plate button, and for the plate button, add required tag, and on press listener can create text here. Forget password. Okay, with style look like this one. Just copy, because we only need to change the colors. I want black color, but not really black, black 54 maybe. And then for the login page, I want to create a scaffold with background color white, and with the body, because I want the form login should be centered in screen. You can use center widget here with child list view, and for a list view it needs to be string wrap, and I want to specify the padding only for left and right padding. It inserts only left for 24 maybe, and then right 24, and finally add children for all the widgets that we have written before. So we can add logo widget here, and then I want to make a space between the email, so just create a size box here with a height 48, and then after email I also want a space between email and password, so we create a size box with height of H, and then password size box again. Maybe this is one login button, so we can change it to 24. And finally add login button, and the last one is for level, for code level. Okay, finish for this login page. Maybe we can look at the login page before. Okay, before we use the login page, don't forget to import that class login page, and then specify login page as the home of material app. Let's see the result. Okay, here we go. We get the result. It's quite good. And after the login button is clicked, I want to navigate to landing page or a home page maybe. So create a new file here, home page dot. In the home page dot, we also create a no, I want a stateless widget for the home page, import material package, and then specify the static string tag of home page. And then I want to create a photo profile here for the profile widget. So final outlook maybe, and this should be hero because I want transition between the logo hero in a login page to photo profile hero inside the home page. So I create a hero, okay, with the same tag name here, tag hero with child. I want some padding and specify the padding 8 inch at all. 16 maybe is enough, and the child is circle avatar with a radius 22 maybe, and the background color also transparent, and the background image is from, okay, specify the image provider from assets alucard JPG, and then don't forget to create a welcome widget, maybe welcome widget should padded text, so we can specify the padding here. It inserts all 8 maybe is enough, and the child is text welcome alucard with style text style color. Font size 28, and the color is white, and then I just want a lorem ipsum text out here similar to welcome text, but I do not want this bigger too. Okay, wait a moment, I want to create a lorem ipsum text. Here we go. Okay, and finally wrap all this widget to body, final body from container match with the screen width, so I can get it from Medi query, and then size, and then width. I want to create edge insert here for the padding, edge on, and then we can add some decoration, box decoration. So I want a linear gradient as a decoration with the colors blue and colors light blue accent, and then finally let a trailing comma here. Okay, looks good, and then we can specify the child from column with children, look at here, welcome, and lorem. Finally, return the scaffold with body from object. Okay, let's see the home page. Don't forget to import the home page class and then change to home page run. Great. So we have a login page and home page here, and then finally we can define our router here. So create an object roots of map string as key and widget builder as value, and then use the login page tag as a context, widget builder context, and return login page. Okay, This is for the home page. Okay, finally we can change it to login page as before. On the login page, we can write a logic to login listener, login event listener on press navigator of context, and then whose name from the home page tag. Okay, import and then run again to see the result. Okay, we can check the result here. Press the login button. Okay, I got some error here. Okay, so we do not specify the router. Okay, got reload again, and then voila. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share with your friend. See you on our next tutorial. Goodbye.